दिया गया है ₹6,000 becomes ₹7,200 in 4 years at a certain rate of interest. If the rate becomes 1.5 times of itself, the amount of the same principal in 5 years will be ₹8,000, ₹8,250, ₹9,000 और ₹9,250। दिया गया है 6,000 रुपया 4 वर्षों में एक निश्चित ब्याज दर से 7,200 रुपया हो जाता है। यदि ब्याज दर 1.5 गुना कर दिया जाए तो उसी मूलधन का मिश्र धन 5 वर्षों में क्या होगा? ₹6,000 becomes ₹7,200 means principal is ₹6,000. Amount is equal to ₹7,200. Amount 7,200, principal 6,000. Therefore, simple interest is equal to A minus P. Amount minus principal is equal to ₹7,200 minus 6,000 is equal to ₹1,200. In 4 years, time is equal to 4 years. तो दिया गया प्रिंसिपल 6,000, सिंपल इंटरेस्ट 1,200, टाइम 4 वर्ष, तो रेट क्या होगा? रेट विल बी 100 into SI by P into T is equal to 100 into SI. SI is ₹1,200 by principal. Principal is 6,000 into time. Time is 4 years. 12 5 या 60, 5 20 या 100, 4 5 या 20, 5%. Rate 5%. Now give me here, if the rate becomes 1.5 times, now rate will be, rate suppose R1. 5 into 1.5 means 7.5%. Itself, principal is same, principal is equal to ₹6,000. If the rate becomes 1.5 times of itself, the amount of the same principal in 5 years, time is equal to 5 years. पूछ रहा है कि अमाउंट क्या होगा? 6,000 रुपया का अमाउंट क्या होगा जब रेट 7.5% हो, प्रिंसिपल 6,000 हो और टाइम 5 वर्ष हो? तो अमाउंट का डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लिखेंगे। Amount is equal to R into T plus 100 into P बटा 100. Rate 7.5 into time 5 years plus 100 into principal 6,000 by 100. ये मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 5 5 या 25 टू 5 से 30 37.5 प्लस 100 into 60 137.5 into 60 6 5 या 30 0 45 5 4 rupees 8,250. Option B is correct answer. Option B is correct answer.